Hello and welcome to another unboxing, and today I'll be unboxing a pop that I bought from Smyths, and it is a Pokemon pop. And yeah, Pokemon pops are being sold currently in Smyths. The only way you could get them before was through other sellers, which the prices went up quite a bit. Or I actually bought the Kanto starters from Amazon.com. I think they were around, could have been £13 each with postage and stuff like that, so they're fairly cheap. I think some were a bit dearer, but yeah, this pop is a 10-inch, and I saw it and I just had to order this because I think the other side pops, if you were to get them from Amazon or import them from America, they'll come to quite a bit, and this was only £29.99, so I couldn't really complain at that price. And I know that these probably might have sold out already or anything, but yeah, it's packaged quite nice. Oh, it is a big one. First time I've actually seen this in person. It's massive. Really good, real nice one though. Yeah, I can't remember if the Pikachu I got is the exact same pose, or it could be the waving one of those. But it's really good condition. I'm gonna try and get this out. I don't want to damage the box, but these larger boxes are always a bit more sturdier. I'm definitely gonna have to get a protector for this. I believe that we're also doing the Bulbasaur. I think that's released soon, I think. No word on the Squirtle or not Squirtle, on a Blastoise. Oh yeah, Squirtle and Charmander, but they could come soon, I think. Trying to put everything to one side without getting damaged. Wow, this is really nice sturdy pop. It's too big to even say. You could even put your shoulder like in the anime. It's yeah, I don't know, I reckon Pikachu in real life could be, well, not as big as in head as that, but it could be around a similar size, maybe a bit bigger. But it looks really amazing. I didn't expect it to be this good. Yeah, it's really good. It's the front, and the back. The tail is quite thick as well. Underneath. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I didn't think the photo get it quite justice, but yeah, thanks for watching, and this Pikachu, 10-inch Pikachu unboxed. So I'll see you all in the next video.